So now what I'm gonna do is just let my curls drink in this the product. I'm not gonna even style it yet. I'm just gonna let it drink in the product. And then we'll come back and see what we're gonna do with it.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Good morning, guys. You have reached Regina TV, and today is wash day. You guys have been asking me, you know, how often do I wash my hair and things like that. And I had a buildup of products, you know, basically gel on my hair. So, and how I was able to tell is because sometimes you can feel your hair and you can feel the product on your hair, or you'll start getting, you know, gummy balls from, you know, just applying product on your hair. So that's, you know, and then your scalp itch and stuff like that. So guys, today I am washing my hair. Now the thing that I won't be doing today is putting in a protein treatment. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to, you know, weigh my hair down with the protein treatment. So, because we are basically focusing, yeah, we're cleansing our hair, washing our hair. But guys, I put a lot of focus on my follicles. You have to have a bacteria clear and good environment for your follicles, okay? Trust and believe, because hair, guys, is dead already. We're just trying to keep it from breaking, splitting, getting frizzy and things like that. Because, you know, technically hair is dead. So, like I said, you guys be asking a lot of questions, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I love it. I love it. I say, what my babies want to know today? What do my babies want to know today? I be sitting up reading y'all questions, you know, reading y'all questions and comments and just answering you guys back. I love it, I'm telling you. So, one of my viewers asked, can you color, can you apply an S curl to colored hair? Yes, yes you can. Y'all know that I have colored my hair with Dark and Lovely box color. Y'all know that the main thing that I do, which I am going to be doing today, is using my Beijing. My Beijing. Now, I already talked to you guys about that. I like using this because it comes off quicker. I know you're saying, why would you want a color that comes off quicker? Because, guys, if I want to make a transition from either gray or brown or red or something like that, I can always go get Oops. You know, have y'all heard of that? Oops is like a color remover. You can go to Sally's or whatever. So when you're ready to strip the color off of your hair, you can use something like that. You can go to Sally's and you'll see all that stuff. You know, they're your options of what you want to, you know, use. So if my hair, like, because around here my hair is like turning white around here, and I can really just touch up that around there if I want. But so it can all be consistent, I always color, you know, put a rinse on my hair, because this ain't gonna do nothing. This is a semi-permanent rinse. It ain't gonna change, it's not gonna bring your hair out or anything like that. So a lot of times y'all see me use a rinse on my hair after, you know, I do a texturizer. All right, guys, so this is the texturizer that I use. Y'all know that it's Luster S Curl Texturizer, Wave and Curl Cream, regular strength. Okay, so this is the one that I use. But I told y'all before in other videos that I wouldn't dare use a box color at the same time that I'm using, you know, a texturizer, because that's a whole nother ball game. That's a whole nother ball game. Okay. So if I was to, let's say I texturize my hair today, I will wait 2 to 3 weeks before I would put a box color in my hair. But you know what, guys, for my hair, it ain't worth the risk for me. I'm just sticking with my rinse. Really, to tell you the truth, this is what y'all really see me do, is a rinse. I mean, I'm still getting my color and not even taking a chance on, you know, having 2 processes in my hair. So I really do want to apply my color, and today I'm not going to mix my color in because I have a lot of things I have to do, so I'm gonna let that sit on my hair for a while, and then I'll come back and use a spray conditioner. Y'all know my spray conditioner as well, right? This is my spray conditioner. Now, you know what, it trips me out because a lot of you guys really want to know a lot about the S curl and and things of that nature, what strength to use, how long I wait between touch-ups and things like that. Well, like I say, it varies. That's why I say have a plan for your hair. I have made a video for Q&A about don't just slap this texturizer on your hair, have a plan. Now guys, because y'all know I'm always clipping my ends into a style, clipping my hair that I don't want and the length that I don't want into a style. When y'all see me cut my hair, it's not because it's bad or the ends are damaged or anything like that. That's me getting my style without having to sacrifice the length that I want, or and study training myself to cut my hair. And y'all know recently I just went in deeper and took a chance on going in deeper. And I'm loving it, guys. I am loving it. So I'm looking at my hair. I'm looking at how good it's doing. And I do have a plan for my hair, guys. And it's like a no-brainer now. It's like a no-brainer of what I want to do for my hair. But let me rinse this out. And then I am going to apply my apple cider vinegar and water. And we know that that is the thing that I love to do to cleanse my scalp really, really well. And a lot of times I don't like to put nothing on my hair, but I'm going to go ahead and do the apple cider vinegar rinse for my scalp now that my hair and stuff is clean. And then we'll go from there, okay? I'm going to rinse this out. Okay, guys, so with my apple cider vinegar and water with Mother's, I like to put it in a spray bottle. Okay? I like to put it in a spray bottle and make sure that it's getting to my scalp, my hair follicles. Okay, here guys, you see me applying the apple cider vinegar with Mother's directly to my scalp. But really guys, this is beneficial for both the hair and the hair follicles. It balances your pH. It also gives your follicles a healthy scalp environment so it'll be able to grow. And it does reduce buildup. Now earlier today guys, I told you that I felt a buildup on my hair, right? So this is going to be really good for my scalp and my hair. And I ain't gonna do nothing but let this sit in my hair for like 10 to 15 minutes. That's all. I want to give it a chance to work. And then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna put in the color. So while I'm gone, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button, and also the notification bell so you will not miss the next video, okay guys? I'll see you in 10 to 15. All right guys, it has been 15 minutes. So I'm just putting on some gloves. We're gonna rinse this apple cider vinegar out, and then we are going to apply our rinse. Remember I said use a microfiber towel or a t-shirt to dry your hair because it's less abrasive on your hair when drying it, right? So all of that is off. Now with this, you can let this sit as long as you want it to sit, guys. You can let this sit as long as you like. Y'all know my toilet tissue technique. All right, now I know a lot of you are afraid to do a texturizer on your hair, and yeah, I understand that, because before I started doing the texturizer and wanted to do one, I had concerns as well. That's only natural. I did apply a texturizer to my hair. It was not an S curl. The very first texturizer I did, it really didn't do anything. I mean, it was like I didn't even have to really put that on my head, but it did nothing. But I did know that I did not want to leave my texture the way it was. My curls, I told you before, looked like little naps, and I just didn't like it. And I knew that for a fact. So since that texturizer didn't, work, I waited. I went on and put protective styles in my hair. I wore ponytails, my hair slicked down, and and things of that nature. And then I waited the right amount of time. Like I tell you, I'm just sharing my hair journey with you guys, and I will slowly clip little ends off, every month until, that texturizer was gone. And guys, I said, okay, that brand didn't work for me. Then that's when I went to S Curl, and I applied that. After educating myself, I applied the S Curl, and guys, we are here today. But I am just going to go around here, do some housework, get some things done, do some laundry, wash some dishes, and stuff like that. And I'm going to leave it on my hair, and then I'll be back, guys, to rinse it out. I can tell you this, I'm not going to sit under a dryer. I don't want to sit under a dryer. This is my time to, work out and get housework done. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk around, get housework done, work out, and do things like that. I'm not going to sit under no dryer, You can, but I don't want to.
Three hours later.
All right, guys, we are back. Let's get ready to rinse this color out of our hair. I'll rinse this out and I'll be back, guys. All right, guys, well, that is rinsed out. Y'all already know that this is Cantu Arganol Oil Strengthens and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. So this is what, I like to put on my hair. If I'm not going to mix my conditioner in with my color. And a lot of times, guys, when you have product build up on your hair and you just want to get that product off, just rinse your hair really, really good, whether in the shower or the sink. Then put your conditioner on it. You don't even have to wash it. Just make sure all that product is out. Put your conditioner on it. Let that sit for a while and then wash that out. That is a co-wash. So we're only going to be using 3 things today, guys. Okay, we're only using 3 things. Yeah. Now, y'all know that I have this in the regular form, and I also have it in a bottle diluted. So this is undiluted, and this is diluted. I just buy a big bottle of this and put it in here with some water if I'm going to do just an everyday type of styling. But since we washed our hair and we want to put that moisture back faster, then I love just using it undiluted. Ooh, it's running. undiluted. So we're just going to put this on. We are not letting our hair dry out at all. Now guys, just keep in mind that you do not have to use everything that I am using here. Use what your hair is calling for and use what you have. We know we done treated our scalp. And now we're treating our hair, making sure it don't get frizzy, brittle, dry, none of that. What I am going to do now is, let's put a little of this on. This is Wave Whip Curling Mousse. It's for curls, coils, and waves. You know, define waves and curls without the crunch. So it's just a mousse, guys. So if y'all have noticed, I am all about the Cantu line. You know, y'all know I do product reviews and things like that. But I'm telling you, I am all about this Cantu line, guys.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess.
We're just going to spray. I don't have to do all this, guys. I could have stopped at Hawaiian silk, but I do the most. Y'all know this is Next Day Curl Revitalizer. Yeah, I do the most. All right, guys. So tomorrow when I get up in the morning, I am just going to wake my curls up. And y'all know we have a variety of things we can wake our hair up with. We can do it with water. We can do it with Hawaiian silk. We can do it with the Next Day Curl Revitalizer. Or we can do it with our water and aloe vera juice. You know, our daily, spray. So what I'm gonna do is just let my curls drink in this the product. I'm not gonna even style it yet. I'm just gonna let it drink in the product. And then we'll come back and see what we're gonna do with it. Guys, I'm spoiled. I am so spoiled. I like just separating my curls after I put the product on. And then just setting my hairline just by tapping it, guys. Nothing big. And that is about it. That's it. I'm going to just let it dry in place. Let it do what it want to do. Ever since I clipped my ends, man, my hair just, it is doing so good. And I got the color that I want without, sacrificing putting a box color on there. Yeah. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. By now, you guys know that I appreciate you because you are the reason why my channel is growing. So also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will see and won't miss the next video that's coming up. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Let's take care of our hair. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Mwah. Ever since I cut it, guys, it just falls into place. It just does. That's pretty.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list.